So hey guys, welcome to this session. So in this we are going to discuss about the control statements in Java. Hope everyone are doing good. So let's begin. So control statements are used to control the flow of execution in a program based on conditions or the loops. So basically we have the three types, that is first one, decision making. So in this we have if else, and the switch. And next category is the looping statements. So here we have for, while, and do while. So in the third type we have the jump statements. So here we have break, continue, and return. So now let us look into one by one. So in the decision making statements, first we have the if statement. So here, so if statement, it executes a block of code if a condition is true. That is, let us take the number 10. So here we have taken the number to be equal to 10. So in the second step, if this number is greater than 5. So it checks whether the number is greater than 5. Here in this situation the condition is true, then it will print the number is greater than 5. So only if the condition is true, or else it will not print the statement. Next we have the if else statement. So the second one is if else. So here it executes one block of the code if the condition is true, or else if the condition is false, it will return to the else statement. That is, um, here the number is 3. So if this number is greater than 5, it checks whether the number is greater than this number. If it is true, then this print statement will be executed, or else this one. So here 3 is not greater than 5, so the else statement will be executed. So and then we have the switch statement. It is used to select one option from multiple possible choices. So here we have taken the day to be equal to 3. So first it will say in this case, so it is case 1. Then it will check whether the day is equal to this or not. Here in this we have taken to be equal to 3. So it will be executed. So in the switch statement, the default statements should be optional. It is not a mandatory. Next we have is the looping statements. First one is for loop. So for loop is used when the number of iteration is known beforehand. That is, for int equal to I equal to 1, where this I is less than or equal to 5. Till then we have to print the statement, and here we are incrementing the I. So here the output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first it will take I is equal to 1. It checks whether this 1 is less than or equal to 5. Here it is true. So it will print the statement, that is 1. Next it will increment, that is, it takes I equal to 2, then it will see whether the I value, that is 2, is less than or equal to 5. Here in this condition it is true, then it will print the statement. So this is the for loop. Then we have is the while loop. So while loop is used when the condition is checked before each iteration. If the condition is false initially, the loop won't get executed. So for example, here uh, I is equal to 1, while I is less than or equal to 5, it will print the statement. So here the output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next we have is the do while loop. It is similar to while, but the condition is checked after the iteration. The loop runs at least once here. So here the output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then next we have is the jump statements. That is, the first one is the break. So it exists from the loop or switch statement immediately. So here if you see, uh, we have I is equal to 1. Then we will see if the I is less than or equal to, and then it checks whether 1 is less than or equal to 5, then it will iterate. So in this case, after once it reaches to 2, since 3 will be equal to 3, it will exit from the loop, and in the output we will get it as 1 and 2. So next we have is the continue. So it skips the current iteration of a loop and moves to the next iteration. That is, for example, if we take this one, output would be equal to 1, 2, 4, and 5, because in the 3 it is skip when I equal to 3. Okay, and in the last we have is the return. It exits from the current method, optionally returning the value.